All right. Week 26. We missed you last week because, man, we've been traveling a lot. I was in New York last week. Really cool. Fonzie AI did a really cool event. There was like 1,000 people on the waiting list. So lots of stuff there. And then this week there was a couple events. Jeff was at an event. So been really busy. So we missed you last week, but this week we got a few demos. You notice a few of our faces are out. Some of our Stevens University, University of Florida, University of Miami folks are getting ready to go back to school, so we're missing some of them. But anyway, excited to get us going here. So I think Bobby, you're up with Teams, right?
Yep, that's right. I have been working hard on the Teams integration. So I'm going to demo what the code will look like for that and then show you it working in action. So we have two flavors for our Teams integration. This is the first one. It's pretty simple and easy to use, but less flexible. So if you have your Teams IO configured, you can access this Teams handler, and you will get a Teams class right here. You can pull out the message. You can also pull out the whole activity object that Teams is going to send. You could pass this into a LLM and then send a response. And then let's pop over to the other example. So this example is more of a full-blown Teams app, and you can pass in a whole Teams bot. And if you, instead of extending the normal Teams activity handler, you can extend our Agentuity Teams activity handler, and you can basically convert any of the Microsoft templates into an Agentuity Teams bot. So let's just test this out. So what this, the larger Teams app, that's this one right here, this example, we can, it sends back a card, and then it has these different options on it. So I added this one option, tell me a joke, and it will send it off, and it will return with this joke. It also has access to who you are. So who am I? I'm Bobby Christopher. So yeah, you can build these kind of really tightly integrated bots. And now I'll demo the other flavor. So let me go, and this is really easy to switch over. This is all using dev mode as well. So let's grab the other agent ID. You can see this one's simple agent. And we can copy this and jump over to our Azure configuration. Let's paste this guy in here. Click apply. And let's jump back over to Teams and let's see if it works. So, hello, Teams.
Bobby, can you move that Google thing? It's hard to.
I'm sorry. I think it popped back up when I switched over. Okay, it's still using the old one. Man, I think it's this guy. Sure it applied. Okay, it'll grayed out that time, so I think it didn't actually apply the first time. Say hello. Yeah, there we go. Hello, how are you doing? So this is the response from the LLM in that Grok call right here.
Bobby, when would you use one versus the other? Can you just talk a little bit more about the bot class and the card? The card's a little bit of a weird thing. So is that card always attached to the bot class, or is that just something that they're demonstrating?
Yeah, this is kind of a special thing that Teams can do. Slack also has it where you can almost put like full-blown forms into the chat. So this is kind of more custom Teams functionality, and there's a multitude of different things that they have. You can check them out at this Microsoft samples repo just to give you the idea. They have a bunch of examples. So if you found something really cool in this repo that Microsoft has built, you would use that bot example for that scenario. Yeah, so that's it for me. I'm gonna stop sharing, and I will pass it to Gabe.
All right, thank you, Bobby. I'm just gonna share news. It's already up on our website. We now have an SMS outbound. So if you have a bot, it's doing stuff, you wanna it just send whatever response it has to all the numbers that you want it to. You can come here, do the same stuff that you do for the inbound, and you can select the number that Twilio is gonna use to send those SMS from, and you can pass numbers here from this array here. So you just put all the numbers that you want to be sent to here, separated by comma, and then you save it, and then it's all handled. It's all gonna send the SMS from your
So what
agent.
you're saying is the outbound, whatever you outbound send will get sent to the number you set here, the SMS number.
It's going to be sent to all the SMS numbers. So you can pass multiple numbers. So it's all numbers that you want to send. We go through them in order, and then we send to them. So that's pretty much it. It's just more outbound stuff.
Cool.
All right.
Awesome. I think that's it, right? I think we have a short week. I also spent this week traveling. I just got in a few minutes ago. I was in Seattle all week. I hosted, I moderated several AI agent panels this week and some different events in Seattle, and got to meet a lot of great people. So it was really awesome to be out in the community and talking about agents, and especially and last night we had a bunch of larger companies like Microsoft and Databricks and others, and then so pretty nice to sort of see what people are doing out there, see what the community is interested in, and see how this space is evolving very, very quickly. So there's a lot of excitement obviously around agents. So it's kind of neat to see that, be out in the community talking to people. And so with that, I think it's gonna be a short week. Thanks everybody. We will see you next week. Have a good one.